Good morning, students. Welcome to the another English class. Before starting our class, let's go through a very good and positive thought. Okay? And today's thought is practice makes a man perfect. What is the meaning of this proverb? Practice makes a man perfect. It means प्रैक्टिस. व्हाट इज़ प्रैक्टिस? कोशिश करना, अभ्यास करना, निरंतर अभ्यास करना. एंड व्हाट इज़ परफेक्ट? परफेक्ट हम लोग किसको बोलते हैं? परफेक्ट मीन्स जो पूरा कंप्लीट हो, जिसमें कि कोई भी कमी नहीं हो. ओके, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज परफेक्ट. सो प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. इट मीन्स कि बार बार की कोशिश से, बार बार के अभ्यास से कोई भी परफेक्ट हो सकता है. ठीक है. So with this good and positive thought, let's start our today's session. First, I'll discuss your previous homework that I've given to you. Some of the students have written very correct and some of the students they have done some silly mistakes. Okay, so today in this session I'll deal with this. Your question was underline the nouns and name them. I have given you some sentences. In these sentences you have to underline the nouns. Okay, and after that you will have to write the name also. The first one is Janvi bought a bunch of flowers for her sister. Janvi. Student, you know that Janvi. What is Janvi? Here Janvi is a noun. And which type of noun? Janvi is a proper noun. So first you have to underline Janvi. After that you have to write proper noun. Okay, now next, bought a bunch of flower. Bunch of flower means flowers ka guchha, and bunch of flowers is a collective noun. So underline this and write collective noun. Students, I am writing the short form COLL, but you have to write the full. Okay, that is COLLECTIVE. Okay. Next one, for her sister. Sister is, first you have to underline sister, then you will have to write, that is common noun. Okay. Now number 2, Supriya wants to be an architect. Supriya. What is Supriya? Supriya is a proper noun. Wants to be an architect. What is architect? Architect is a common noun. Now student, you know why architect is a common noun? What is common noun? Common noun क्या होता है? Common noun is a noun that denotes the category of same people, or you can say the category of same people or animal or thing. For like architect. Architect मतलब कौन सा architect? कुछ नाम है इसमें दिया हुआ? कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर नेम है? नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई आर्किटेक्ट इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. हियर ऑल्सो सिस्टर. सिस्टर का मतलब कोई भी बहन उसकी हो सकती है. बट इफ in place of sister, suppose if it is written Riya, ठीक है, her sister Riya. So what is Riya? Then Riya will be a proper noun. Okay. Now move to another sentence. Rahul can play the guitar very well. Rahul is a name. This is a name of a particular person. ये किसी एक बच्चे का नाम है. So Rahul, first you underline Rahul, then write proper name. Can play the guitar. Guitar is a musical instrument. So you can write, what is guitar? Guitar is a common noun or proper noun? It is a common noun. I am writing short form. You will have to write the full word. Okay, that is COMMON, common. Now next one, my mother feeds many stray cats. What is stray cats? Stray cats का मतलब होता है वो cats जो कि पालतू नहीं हो. ठीक है, जो इधर उधर मतलब घर के बाहर की हो, और you can say road side. ठीक है, that is called as stray cats. My mother. Mother is a common noun. Cats is a common noun. Now next, father enjoys listening to the radio. Again here father is a common noun and radio is also a common noun. Next one, I read an interesting story yesterday. Story is again here a common noun because you don't know which story. Next, the audience cheered for the players. What is audience? Audience is a collection of people. Okay, audience हम लोग किसको बोलते हैं? ये एक लोगों का समूह होता है. ठीक है. So here you will have to write audience में collective noun. Cheered for the players. Again, players is a collective noun. Okay, student. Now next, the students sang really well. Student, कौन से स्टूडेंट? क्या यहाँ पे क्लियर है कौन से स्टूडेंट हैं, कौन से स्ट्रीम के हैं, कौन से क्लास के हैं? इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर. सो हियर स्टूडेंट इज़ अ कॉमन noun. Now move forward. Next, number 9, she was too tired to climb up the flight of stairs. Here flight of stairs is a collective noun. Our team won the championship. Our team, यहाँ पे ये team क्या denote कर रहा है? That is it is a collection of players. ठीक है. टीम हम लोग किसको बोलते हैं? स्पोर्ट्स में आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ये वर्ड टीम. सो टीम इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ प्लेयर्स. सो टीम इज़ हियर कलेक्टिव नाउन. नेक्स्ट इज चैम्पियनशिप. कौन सा चैम्पियनशिप? क्लियर है? नहीं है ना? सो दिस इज कॉमन नाउन. नेक्स्ट वन, अ हर्ड ऑफ शीप. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि एक चरवाहा होता है, वो कभी कभी बहुत सारे शीप्स को ले जाता है इधर से उधर. ठीक है. तो दैट झुंड इज कॉल्ड एज हर्ड ऑफ शीप. उस शीप के झुंड के लिए हम लोग कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं? हर्ड. ओके. सो द हर्ड ऑफ शीप इज़ अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. आफ्टर दैट वी सॉ अ प्राइड ऑफ लायंस. लायंस का जो समूह होता है, शेर का जो झुंड होता है, उसके लिए हम लोग एक वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ प्राइड. Pride of lions is a collective noun. Student, you have to read and recall and learn all these nouns, especially the collective nouns. Next one, the class consists of 30 students. Class, कौन सा class? It is not clear. So class is a common noun. And 30 students, again students here is a कॉमन नाउन. क्योंकि ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं ये कौन से क्लास के हैं? इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स आर कॉमन नाउन. नेक्स्ट वन, इंडिया इज़ अ लार्ज कंट्री. इंडिया क्या है यहाँ पे? प्रॉपर नाउन है क्योंकि इंडिया एक ही है ना, कोई और इंडिया तो है नहीं. सो हियर इंडिया इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन एंड कंट्री, कंट्री इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ हैं. ओके. Now last one, the girls are rehearsing for the program. Here girls, कौन सी लड़कियाँ? It is not clear. So girls are common noun. Next one, rehearsing for the program. Which program? We don't know. There is no name mentioned over here. So the program will be common noun. Students, in these examples, have you noticed one thing? That wherever I have written proper noun, the first letter of that very noun is capital. For example, in Janvi, J is capital. In Rahul, R is capital. Okay. So one most important thing is that proper noun always begins with capital letter. Proper noun जो भी होता है वो capital letter होता है. Doesn't matter whether it comes in front of the letter, in front of the sentence, or in the beginning of the sentence, or in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. ठीक है. प्रॉपर नाउन वो जहाँ पे भी होता है सेंटेंस में, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग में हो, मिड में हो या फिर एंड में हो, प्रॉपर नाउन जहाँ भी होता है इट ऑलवेज बी इन कैपिटल लेटर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, this is your classwork. Now you have to do this. Okay. This is the question. I am explaining this. First one is change the nouns and name them. Here are some of the nouns given. 1. Jennifer Lopez. 2. Doctor. 3. Magazine. 4. Mars. 5. Residence. 6. Garden. And 7. Salman Khan. ये सारे nouns हैं. Okay. First you will have to name them, that which type of noun it is. Jennifer Lopez. This is a name. Okay. Second thing, it starts with a capital letter. It is a proper noun. ये एक name है, ये एक particular name है, ये एक particular इंसान का name है. So it is a proper noun. So first you have to write here proper noun. I'm giving you one example. Then rest you have to do yourself. Jennifer Lopez is a proper noun. Okay. So now you have to change this into common noun. Jennifer Lopez is a person. She is a singer. But here name is written, so it is a proper noun. You will have to change it in common noun. If you change this proper noun into common noun, then what will be it? It will be singer. So here you will have to write singer, and singer is a common noun. Okay. Now next one. I've given you one example. Now all these you will have to do yourself. I'm just explaining. Doctor. Here doctor is which type of noun? Common noun. If it is common noun, then you will have to write here common noun. If it is a proper noun, then you will have to write here proper noun. Okay. After that you will have to change this noun into another noun. Okay, another noun in common or in proper. If it is a common noun, then you will have to write here common noun, then you have to change it in proper noun. And if doctor is a proper noun, then first you have to write here proper noun, and then you will have to change it in common noun. Okay, I'm explaining in Hindi also. Doctor, अगर ये proper noun है तो आपको यहाँ पे proper noun लिखना है, फिर आपको उसको चेंज करना है कॉमन नाउन में. और अगर डॉक्टर कॉमन नाउन है तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉमन नाउन लिखना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल हैव टू चेंज हियर इट इन प्रॉपर नाउन. और प्रॉपर नाउन में आपको पता ही है कि कोई नाम होता है, सो यू विल हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ एनी डॉक्टर. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, मैगजीन. घर में आपके आती होंगी मैगजीन, बहुत सारी मैगजीन्स. ओके. सो फर्स्ट यू विल हैव टू राइट दैट वेदर मैगजीन इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन और अ कॉमन नाउन. After that you will have to change it in again proper noun or common noun. Mars, this is a planet. So student, you know that it is a name. So what it will be? So do it yourself. After that, residence. Residence का मतलब घर. ठीक है, बहुत सारे residence के आगे आप लोग देखते होगे ना कि उसके आगे name लिखा हुआ रहता है. So this is only residence. Nothing is mentioned over here. Next one is garden. Next one is Salman Khan. So this is your first question that you have to do, and now here is your second question. Your question is, write the proper noun for each common noun. Write the proper noun means you will have to write the proper noun for each common noun. These are some of the common nouns that is given. You will have to change these common nouns into proper noun, and you will have to write it here. Number one is planet. This is a common noun. You will have to change it in proper noun. It means you will have to write its name so that it could be a proper noun. Number 2 is country. Number 3, school. Number 4, hospital. Number 5, sportsman. Number 6 is music instrument. Number 7 is airport. Number 8 is actor. Number 9 is singer. Number 10 is river. Okay. So these two questions you will have to do now, and students, just be true to yourself, be honest to yourself, and do it your own. Don't copy it from others. Okay. Now just start writing and send it in the group. Okay. For any problem, any query, just write it and post it in the group. And students, don't send me audio. Okay. Thank you.